if you want to be successful, you must have a very strong team, what we call alliance partner. But if you have no alliance partner and you have no experience of this subject, then you are bound to be defeated, cheated, bluffed. Criminals will be attacking you. I was a victim of that. I wanted to do some service to the mankind. I wanted to set up a hospital. Then some fraud became very familiar and they wanted to help me. This team was led by Jennifer. She's a fraud, bloody, she changes her name every time and she looted me some lakhs of rupees. Another, I wanted to start a construction material business, and then that fraud was Ashish Dwivedi and Anamika, and they were another group of frauds. They also looted me near about lakhs and lakhs of rupees. I sold my land and wanted to serve the people, and so I got defeated. Had I got some strong team, they could examine exactly the genuine character of these people and they could have saved my life. But I could not be saved because nobody was there. Later on, my daughter, when she examined very thoroughly, she found they were all frauds. By the time I have lost near about lakhs and lakhs and lakhs of rupees, and that was a hard earned money which I sold my land and got it. So there is a warning. If you are going for any business and doing anything else, examine exactly, because there are a lot of frauds going on, a lot of dishonest people, a lot of criminals are in the helm. You may not identify who are those, and they are really well trained. You cannot identify their identity. They talk so well. They give you receipt. They give you every details as if some genuine company is operating, and then you are beaten, destroyed, and finished. People like me who is retired want to do some service, but instead of doing service, I got severely damaged, destroyed, cut to pieces. Restless days and night without money, no money in my pocket, and they have cheated my all money. Thank you, viewers. Learn lessons from my experience. Don't trust anyone. Examine. There are a lot of frauds. There are a lot of websites. On Google you will find everywhere, everyone is there claiming they are the genuine companies, representatives, executives, and they are really donors, receivers, and financiers, but they are all fraud. They will charge you processing fee and they are fraud. They will charge you all the details as company does, but later on you find this is fraud. And I made a cybercrime case against these criminals, but no return as yet. Things are in very bad shape, but it is very painful. That's why I warn you, don't be trapped by such criminals. Thank you.